When all elements are refined in harmony, the result is brilliance and sophistication.
Once the people know what diamond means, I'm not selling diamonds. I'm selling the story behind the value of a diamond. High standards, a word that everybody understands, no matter what language they speak, but also is a guarantee for quality. And the limits in diamonds there are no limits.
Aesthetics of the building, we've gone for the grey concrete look with plants. So we've got hanging plants, climbing ivies, etc. We've got palm trees. So the feeling inside the common area is very appealing, very calm. We've gone for a cementitious skim coat finish, Lanco or Sika. This was a very, very good product. On top of that, we've put in a synthetic coat, which is a water repellent. This means that should any water or liquid hit it, it just rolls off.
One of the biggest selling points of Diamond Condominium is, of course, its location. It's all about
location.
Location. Right in the heart of Bang Tao.
Bang Tao area is, of course, the Laguna area with its beautiful golf courses.
Long, easy access beach, and the most important thing, quiet and clean.
Beach clubs, but also sunbeds and umbrellas, giving you the comfort that you're looking for here on your holiday.
Horse riding, playing golf, tennis.
20 minutes to the airport.
And of course local restaurants and international restaurants.
We have probably the largest pool among condominiums in this precinct. It's a 50-meter Olympic-sized pool.
We have a sauna, we have jacuzzis.
Children's play facilities.
24-hour restaurant.
I want a homey feeling there.
I like Phuket because lifestyle. Have sun, beach, the restaurant, seafood, everything is like my home here.
I wouldn't know what we don't have because we have everything but a big project should have.
I would like to welcome you to Diamond Condominium. ขอบคุณค่ะ